Okay, YouTube, this is going to be a video of my new fidget cube. If you don't know what a fidget cube is, it's basically this little cube with these little things on them.
Can I turn that off? Is that okay?
Can you turn the light back on?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hang on, YouTube. Look, it's this guy right here. I'm going to be showing you this and fidget spinner.
Oh!
Okay, but for real, YouTube, I'm going to be doing a video on this guy. So what this basically is a fidget. It's kind of like a fidget toy. Like, okay, so you've all heard of the fidget spinner, right? It looks like this.
Hang on, Ollie.
This is kind of like it, except it's a cube form.
What about this bag of
It has
clothes,
more. You don't just spin it. You just do more stuff on it. This will get annoying, but it's kind of worth it though, because it look like this. So like a little joystick, and then like a few like switches like on and off. But there's a little switch right here. Look. Then there's a little joystick. Look.
Okay.
So if you like Xbox a lot, this right here.
Oh, okay.
Bop, 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 bop. And this right here, look. And then these buttons right here, if you like clicking stuff, look.
We'll put this right here, because that goes back out to Sissy's car.
You sound quiet then.
That was so sweet of Scotty. Did you tell him thank you over and over?
Yes. And this right here, look. It's like a little padlock. If you like padlocks, then you're going to love this thing right here. Look. There's like a little ball like, thing that you roll. Like, yeah. See, look. Yeah, and look like that. And look, this, if you look like this, then. And there's this little thing right here. Doesn't do anything, but yeah. And yeah. Yeah, I showed you this thing already. The joystick. Marble things, this. Oh yeah. And then there's yeah. I'll show you.
Ollie, why are you looking so sad over there, dude? I ain't got nothing, but I was just wondering why you looking so sad over there.
There's a little light switch. Gear shift. Yeah, then like this. There's. So as y'all know, I have the autism disorder. Yeah, that's why I have this. This is recommended for people with autism. This is too. But these are very popular. People that don't even have autism or not even disorder, even regular people that go to regular schools have these babies right here. I haven't really seen many of these. Right, this is the first one. This is my first fidget cube I ever had. Yeah, this is my first fidget cube. So it's got and it's gold. This is not real gold. My friend Scotty that gave this to me. Gold fidget spinner. I may be getting more fidget spinners and more fidget stuff. I will show you that in future videos. Let's try to get this video to 50 million likes. Actually, no, wait. Let's get this video to 1 million likes in 24 hours. That's a challenge for y'all. Actually, no, wait. Let's try to hit 52 million likes and 52 million subscribers in 24 hours. In 24 hours. In this one video. Okay? That's a challenge for y'all. And be sure to leave a comment if you subscribed or liked or shared this video. Comment down below if you did. And if you have autism, comment down below. And yeah. Just comment the word fidget spinner and fidget cube. Okay? Comment the word. Comment down below. Alright? Bye bye, YouTube. I'm just kidding. I'm going to be vlogging for a few minutes. Yeah. I can't take my tablet off charge. It's only 15% charged. I'm going to just sit right here and talk to y'all for a little bit. Yeah.
Noah, would you like a burrito? Or whatever.
Not right now. Oh yeah, look what I got. Guess what I got from Florida. Lighthouse. Here. I would zoom in, but I can't, so I'm just going to do it like this to show y'all. Look. See? That's like that. Eiffel Tower. Here. Yeah. Oh yeah, and then there's this one right here. This is cute. Look. Focus. Focus on it. Yes. I get my camera to focus good. Focus. Okay. Yeah. Let's see.
Mama, him needs bed to him from his legs.
Look, where is he laying up? What?
And basic everyday lighthouses. Mama, where's my other lighthouses at?
They are
I will show you my other lighthouses I got too.
somewhere back there, but I do not know.
I'm gonna show you my other lighthouse.